Now, significant figures. When you want to deal with the significant figures here. Now, on significant figures, the first question is express the following numbers correct to two significant figures. When you want to write this number from 1 into significant figures, you can see the number is 0.003928. So when you are writing the significant figures, you start, the first significant digit is from the first countable digit. So in this case, these are decimal places, 00. This is to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to 6 decimal places. But when we talk of significant figures, we don't have a number before 0. If there's a number between a digit, a countable digit, like 1, 2, all the way up to 9, a digit, then significant figure starts from there. But because you don't have any other before this decimal, we have 0.003928. We have that. The first significant figure or significant digit starts from 3. These zeros are not significant in this case. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. This number is to 4 significant figures. Is that okay?
Yes.
So therefore, when you're told to write to 2 significant figures, you count 1, 2, up to 3, 9. The next one is less than 5. It is less than 5. So you ignore this one. So your number will be 0.0039. That is how you write that number into 2 significant figures. Because if this was 3, or if this was greater than 5, you could have added 1 to this. Is that okay? But because it is not there, you just ignore those zeros. You cut from there. So you get 0.0039. Is that okay?
Yes.
Now, then the next one there. We have 5896. We have 5896. When you want to write 5896 into 2 significant figures, this is a number which is written into 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you're talking of 2. 1, 2. The first 2. So the first 2 is you have 5 and 8. Then what about the next one? The next one is greater than 5. So therefore, this becomes you add 1 to this. You add 1 plus 1 to 58 to 58. So this now becomes 5, 9. But you don't just write 5, 9. You write 5, 9, 0, 0. So this one, once you add this one, if there is no decimal in between here, you must write those zeros so that your number becomes 5900. That is, you write these zeros to retain the value of the number. You write those zeros to retain the value of the number. Is that okay?
Yes.
So therefore, this is how you write that number. So 1, 2. The next one is greater. Add 1 to this. Then you add a 0. Sasa?
Yes.
Add those 2 zeros. So that becomes, that number is written to 2 significant figures. Then we go to the next question. State the number of significant figures in these questions. In this question, significant figures. Now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even the 0 is significant because it is there. It's already included. There's 0 and there's 0. So you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is to 5 significant figures. That number is written 5 significant figures because their 0 is already written. If there was no 0, then it would be to 4 significant figures. But this is to 5 significant figures. Then this one. We go to the second one. 0.02005. The first countable, you start from the first countable significant figure. The first digit is 2. There is 2 here, there is 005. So there are 2 zeros in between 2 and 5. So the significant figures you count 1, 2, 3, 4. And that one is written to 4 significant figure. So that is how you tackle that kind of a question on significant figures. Is that okay?
Yes.
Start from the first countable digit, which is 2. Then these zeros in between are significant. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. That number is written to 4 significant figures.